Welcome to Kazawari Solar Optimizations, where we harness the power of satellite technologies and artificial intelligence to revolutionize solar farming maintenance. In today's world, solar energy is the foundation of sustainable development. However, maintaining vast arrays of solar panels efficiently remains a significant challenge. Our innovative project combines high-resolution satellite imagery with advanced AI-driven segmentation to enhance solar panel maintenance. This integration is unique and addresses a significant challenge in the renewable energy sector. We collect high-resolution satellite images of solar farms. These images are then processed using sophisticated AI algorithms that perform segmentation, dividing the image into meaningful sections. Segmentation allows us to pinpoint areas affected by dirt, debris, or damage with remarkable accuracy. This enables targeted maintenance, saving time and resources while maximizing energy output. By identifying problem areas promptly, maintenance team can focus their effort where it needed most, ensuring the solar panel operate at peak efficiency. Our technology is ready for immediate deployment, having been thoroughly tested in real-world scenarios.
Our goal is to make solar energy more reliable and cost-effective. Therefore, Kazawari Solar Optimization offers scalable and reliable for solar farm operators, reducing cost maintenance and maximizing energy output. Therefore, this technology has significant potential, suitable for both niche and mass market in the renewable energy sector. Thank you.
Join us on this journey to innovate and sustain the world energy future. Together, we can harness the power of technology to make a lasting impact.